उच्च न्यायालयान फॉरेन कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन रेग्युलेशन कायद्याखाला डायोसेसनाच्या 2 संस्थांक थकाय दिल्या. FCRA लायसन्स कॅन्सलेशनाक हायकोर्टान स्टे दिला. डायोसेसन सोसायटी ऑफ एज्युकेशन आणि डायोसेसन सेंटर फॉर सोशल कम्युनिकेशन मीडिया संस्थेन केंद्राच्या FCRA आड केल्ल्या अपिला संदर्भात ही स्थगिती दिल्या.
The High Court has ordered interim stay on the decision of Union of India cancelling the foreign contribution registration certificates of Diocesan Society of Education and the Diocesan Center for Social Communications Media. The Union of India had cancelled FCRA licenses of these two prominent diocesan entities on the ground that they have not received any foreign contribution in last stipulated time. Both the aggrieved entities have approached the High Court challenging the decision of Union of India on the ground that they were not given proper notice nor they were given an opportunity to present their case. While granting the interim stay, the High Court observed that there is prima facie case for which this order of the Union of India needs to be stayed. The High Court has stayed this order and has issued notice to Union of India, and the hearing has been kept next for 10th September. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.